Alrighty, so we're moving on to one of our last commands. There's maybe going to be one more video for commands on lists in Python. Last video we saw how to use pop and delete on a list. Now we're going to look at remove. So I just made a blank new Code Sculptor page. Let's make a new list. I'll name it sentence because this is going to hold a little sentence. And I'm going to make the sentence equal to cats, or maybe my cat is cute. Cite cute. So a list does not just need to hold on to numbers. It can hold on to words or characters. You know, it just holds on to a bunch of different stuff, right? So here we've got sentence, and it's holding on to the words my cat is and cute. And this works just the same way, right? So the sentence variable is holding on to this list of my, comma, cat is cute. Though that's actually kind of mean. Maybe I should switch it to my cats are cute because I have two of them. But whatever, we're leaving it as it is. Don't forget, my indices are starting at 0, right? So the first item in my list is at index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. If I wanted to print out my entire thing, I would print my sentence, and it will print out, I'll run it, just the entire list. I could say print my sentence at index 1, and it'll just print out cat, because this is the item at index 1. Now we're going to look at remove, right? So I'm going to say sentence.remove, and here's the difference. Pop and delete, you tell it the index to go to. It doesn't care about what's in there. You tell it the index to go to, it deletes the index. Remove looks for the values in your items in your list, and it removes that, right? So maybe I want to fix my sentence, right? I could say sentence.remove cat, right? Because I needed to say my cats are cute. So I'm going to remove cat. And now if I print the entire sentence, it's just going to say my is cute because we removed cat, right? So instead of looking for the index 0, 1, 2, or 3, it looks for cat. And let's go ahead and practice fixing this entire thing over here, right? I'm going to switch this from my cat is cute to my cats are cute. To do that, I'm going to use insert. So I'm going to say sentence dot insert, and I'm going to say, let's see, it was at index 1, 0, I think actually. At index 1, I think at index 0, it goes right after it. At index 0, I'm going to insert cats, and let's try printing out the sentence again just to see. If it ever doesn't work, like, you just print out to check it and fix it afterwards, right? Ah, yes. I inserted it at index 0. It put cats at the very 0th index. So actually I need to insert at 1, and now it says, all right, my cats is cute, right? So what I can do now is I'm going to remove sentence.remove is. And so now if I print the sentence again, right, we're seeing how remove works. It will look for is in my list and delete is, right? It's not going by the index. It's deleting the word that it finds is. So let's try it out. Now it just says my cat's cute. Finally, I'll do my final insert. Sentence.insert. And now, so we saw it was at 0, 1. I want to insert it here at 2. I'm going to insert at index 2, R. And we'll print out the sentence one last time to see if we fixed it. So we had my cat is cute. We removed cat. So then it was my is cute. We then inserted at index 1, cats. So it says my cats is cute. And then we removed R. Sorry, we removed is over here and added R in there so that we changed the sentence to my cats are cute. Now, if you're kind of clever, you actually didn't need to do this necessarily, right? Inserting, you don't necessarily want to remove and then insert, because instead of doing all this, remove is, and then insert at index 2r, you could just say, well, here, I'll comment these out just so they don't affect anything. I could have just said sentence at, let's see, it was, was 0, 1, 2. So I could say sentence at 2 is going to be equal to r. And what that will do is it's going to take whatever's at index 2 and just change it to r, right? So this remove insert's not necessarily what we want to do, but I'm just showing how remove works. So we'll try running it again. Instead of doing this remove and then insert to take out is and put in r, you can always just go to the index that you want, change what was there, right? At index 2, it used to say is. Now we switch it to r. So then when we print it again, it'll now print out my cats are cute. There's actually one last thing that I want to check, which is, let's check it really quick. I'm not 100% sure about this, but that's the great thing about programming, right? Is you can just try it out and see if it works. I have my cat is cute. I'm going to say my cat is cat cute? I don't know what that means. My cat is cat. Oh, I'll just say my cat is cat. That works. My cat is cat. And we try printing that sentence. Print sentence. And I can zoom back in because I'm not off the line anymore. My cat is cat. We'll print it. It says my cat is cat. If I try, I wonder if I try sentence dot remove cat, I wonder if it will remove both of the instances of cat at index 1 and at index 3, or if it just removes the first one that it finds. Let's find out. So I'm going to print sentence and see what happens. Look at that. When I remove cat, it only removes it the first time it sees it, but then the second cat is left. I imagine if I do sentence dot remove cat again, and then I try printing sentence again, it'll probably remove the second cat this time. Whoa, yeah, it does. Now it just my is. Let's try to break this. Does sentence dot remove cat, if cat is not in the list, is it going to freak out? Yeah, it does not like that, right? Value error, list.index, x is not in the list, right? So they were looking to find the value cat in the list. It was not in the list, so it gave us an error, right? So a couple little things to learn that I didn't even know about remove. It only removes the first one. You do it again, it'll then remove the second one. If the value is not in the list, it will just give you an error. So, just interesting stuff, learning about remove.